Okay, hey everyone. So Ricky told me to set up my camera to record. I have no idea what's going on. He told me to text him. Ooh, okay.
Okay, close your eyes.
Close them? Okay.
Throw my shirt on bed and then sandals off. This is for you.
Oh my god! I love it!
Feel the inside. It's soft.
Is it soft? Honey, look! Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm gonna wear it tonight. Thank you, honey.
This is what I got you.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
And that's the reason I had to get it.
La canción? Thank you, honey.
Try it on.
Okay guys, so we went for a walk, showered, came back, and then I obviously didn't want to put this on until I was like super clean. Guys, I literally feel like I'm on a cloud. So we're turning up the AC because it's hot, but I don't want to take any of this off. Plus, I don't have shorts. So it's not like I can wear shorts with this. I only have one pair of shorts that are like athleisure or at home, and I just wore them for a walk, so it's not like I can wear those. But I feel good. This is so comfy. Alright, hey everyone, it's your girl Jenny, and today is a new day. So I think I mentioned in the last vlog that we are going to be renewing our lease. There's some stuff with it, so I don't want to say anything yet until everything's finalized. But in the meantime, we're not moving out of this apartment. This one's ours. But the thing is, we need to get rid of stuff. And it's gonna be hard because I feel like when we first moved in, we felt like we had a lot of space, and then we don't, because we each have a lot of things. Personally, I have a lot of things, like a lot of the appliances are mine and stuff. And then Ricky and I just kind of started accumulating things and buying things that we needed. And then next thing you know, there's no space. So yeah, we have a couple weeks until what happens happens, and I can't wait to update you guys in a little bit. But also it's kind of like a bittersweet type of thing. Anyway, so let me get to it. I want to clean the kitchen because it's a mess, and partially because of me, partially because of everybody else. But yeah, okay, let's just get started. I'm gonna show you guys an overview, and please, please, please do not judge. I'm trying to be transparent, but also just like, I don't know. I know like some of my family watches this and I'm like, oh my god, what a what a shame, girl. Okay, anyway, I'll show you guys an overview. Don't judge. Measuring tape, stuff is out, and that's like, I think we're going to see people on Sunday, so Ricky bought that. We don't drink Heineken really. Don't know why there's two of these. Stuff over here, this one's, I think his name's Pablo, but we've had him for a while, so we're just kind of enjoying him. We have this we need to put away, this needs to get done. Pretend that's not there. That one's Ryan's. And so just like there's like a lot that's kind of happening. Like look at this. Like over here, we're actually gonna be getting rid of this soon, because fact, this technically belongs to my mom now, so we just kind of have to go through everything. We have to organize. We want like a cabinet slash extra pantry here, or even like a bar cart that has like shelves up here so you can put stuff up there. This needs to be organized. This part's kind of decent. It used to be a lot worse, but then I added like this little basket, and like there's a lot of loose things that I was able to throw in there, but we still have to go and organize some more. So this is going to be, yeah, just like the before. I don't know if this is empty. Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, that's the before. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, so quick update. I'm making progress. It just doesn't feel like it because there's so many little things to do. But the microwave and the stove top are like clean, perfect. That's all organized. I took out things that we didn't need, so it's easier to put things in and out. Just have to move things around, wipe the counters down. Same over here. Have to wipe like this stuff down. That's Brian, so I'm not gonna touch it. I don't know if he's gonna make the meat tonight or what, so I don't really want to like mess with it. Right now I have this kind of sitting before I clean it. It's just like the cleaner. I do like to let it sit. I also watched this guy. I'm surprised a lot of people don't watch this, but definitely do it. And then I'm almost done on this side as well, so I'll keep you guys updated. Hello, update. We have a guest. Ricky is here. Anyway, I was almost done and then Ricky woke up and then we both decided we could just continue cleaning. Yeah, but currently we are wiping everything down in the fridge. We have everything kind of just like spread around and we're just gonna reorganize everything and then wash these guys, wash more dishes. So yeah, we're tackling the fridge now. We're almost done wiping it down and cleaning it. I think it's just to figure out how to reorganize everything. Whew. Like the only thing we're really gonna get rid of is the freezer over there. Ricky went to go throw out the garbage because it accumulated really quickly. Yeah, we're still washing this. We have our ice bin in here and the thing from the freezer. We cleaned out the freezer and we have to reorganize everything. We reorganized somewhat the pantry. That stuff is gonna go at the bottom, but we just mopped the floors, so we don't want to put that while it's still wet. Yeah, those dishes are drying. Nothing else is in the sink. That stuff has to go. And then this is stuff that we're currently using. Take this as a sign for you to do your deep cleaning. Trust me, it sucks, but it's worth it because now I'm like calm, and then in a little bit I'm gonna take a drink or something. Maybe I'll add it to this vlog, who knows. It's a nice little reward. But yeah, do your cleaning. I'll see you later. Oh my god, that was big lightning. Holy shit. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's storming out. Woo! Creepy. Just kidding, that's awesome, but it's really humid. Oh. All right, everyone, so anyway, so we are completely done cleaning here and it feels so good. It feels so clean. So here is the after. Like the floor is clean, everything.
I love the bottle for this.
Oh, the cork?
It is so fun and satisfying.
Oh, so the pantry is nice and organized. I know that was kind of fast. So that's organized. A lot of the stuff up there is gone. This doesn't look organized, but trust us when we say that like a lot was thrown out. And then the fridge is a lot more organized. It used to look like a mess, and it still kind of does, but more organized, if that makes sense. And then everything is wiped down. You know, the inside of the microwave is also washed out. This is all cleaned out. Like I said, that's Ryan, so we're not touching it. And then everything over here is clean. That's just stuff that we're using right now. That's drying. We finally put these kind of in a mason jar to hold them up. We're washing this out again. So yeah guys, that is our progress. It took us a couple hours, but it's done. We definitely needed it. Okay, so I'm about to make myself a drink. I'm not a professional, I just do whatever I personally think tastes good. So you're gonna need a cutting board, a knife, a lime, or like whatever citrus you desire. I personally like having limes, and it's glossy because I just washed it. Definitely need your tahine. This is like my favorite part. Obviously a glass. You can have one of these, like the jiggers. It's basically to measure things out. You don't really need it. Then we're gonna have whatever tequila you have. We currently only have this one, so we're gonna use that. And then we're gonna have some triple sec. I don't know if this is good or not. We bought it at Binny's, so hopefully it is. Squirt is my preferred thing to put in a drink, and then ice.
Take you there.